part of really dealing with your issues, right, and your insecurities is to accept them for what they are, right? Admit that you have them. And I told you guys that I suffer from really bad. Good morning, dolls. It's your girl Imani here, back for another video. Coming back to y'all with the bonnet on because this is actually how we wake up. Maybe not with the shirt because I just put, I just changed and all that. But we wake up looking like this, okay? I don't know about these other get ready with me videos where they already got makeup on and stuff, talking about, okay, let's throw some makeup on. No, this is how we wake up. Looking crazy. I did wash my face, so, but I had the crust all in the eyes. I was drooling a little bit. But this is how we wake up. But no, I've been trying to do a get ready with me video for a while. Y'all already saw, my morning routine, but this time I wanted to chat with you guys. I've been wanting to chat with y'all about this topic for a little bit, and I figured why not do it as we get ready. I am actually putting makeup on today, just a little bit. I'm not doing a full face full of makeup. What am I trying to say? A full face of makeup. I never really do unless it's for special occasions, but I'm getting ready for church today, so I do a little something, look a little more presentable. So I'm doing that, and then I'm also taking out my twists I've had in for days now, so we'll see what those look like in a minute. But yeah, I wanted to just chat with you guys, and I thought, why not, this is kind of like the perfect time to do so. Before we get started, y'all know what to do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down. I believe it's right here. Down below is that big old red button that says subscribe. Hit on that. Y'all know it's free. Why not? And also, while you're there, hit the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new video. And make sure you share this video, because I think this is going to be a topic that a lot of other naturals have felt either now or in the past. So let's get a little bit of a conversation going, all right? Let's go. Do a little bit of makeup. Well, my face a little bit. And I'm going to put this little EOS ball, this little egg thing. I always call it the egg. Just a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Y'all already saw me do my eyebrows in another video. Make sure y'all check that out. So I'm not going to do a detailed video on that, but I am using the exact same things that I use in that video. So make sure y'all check that out. So today I really wanted to talk about the insecurities that I have being natural, having natural hair, especially 4C hair. We could all have insecurities no matter what kind of hair we have, but all my fellow 4C girls, y'all know our hair is different. We're unicorns though. Our hair is magical, don't get me wrong, but we have insecurities, you know what I mean, about some of the things. So I don't have many insecurities about it, at least not anymore, because it was just about growing and loving my hair. But I still go through some insecurity. I'm 6 years in my journey and I still have some of these insecurities. So I'd say my first insecurity, which is no longer really an insecurity for me anymore, maybe 2%, where when I first cut my hair and maybe a year or so after, it was 98%, is how other people were gonna view me with my hair, mostly with really short hair, going from kind of sort of long hair to short hair. Not just short hair, but my natural hair. And just how others viewed me, how at the time I was working at an elementary school, so how the kids saw me, how my friends who, I don't want to say judgmental. They're blunt, they're blunt. Not that they're trying to hurt your feelings, but they're going to tell you the God honest truth. And especially how my man saw me. I was so insecure about that. But they were actually really good, and it boosted my ego a little bit. My friends loved it, everything. It was honestly the man part, guys. It was the man. I was so insecure. I was so insecure about what his thoughts were. He didn't really say anything, and I think the silence meant more to me than anything. Silence is loud, you know what I mean? And I knew what that silence meant, and I was so insecure. And I'm just oh, well, at least, he saw it, whatever. And he never really said anything about it. I want to cry. Just rethinking it. He's not saying anything to me about my hair, but then I'm seeing him liking pictures of girls with the pretty little froze. And I hate to say pretty little froze, but I mean the 3C froze, I guess not effortless. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Like, y'all know what I'm saying. Like, our hair looks beautiful. Like, twist outs. Y'all don't see this twist out. Amazing. But y'all know, like, back then, I'm just like, I'm trying to get my hair like that. And I didn't understand at the time why my hair wasn't getting like that. You know, I really didn't understand the difference. Why is this going? What's going on here? But yeah, I really didn't understand the difference of like why this person's hair looks like this with their twist out, but then I do a twist out and mine look like that. And I'm like using their products, not understanding, you know, so I'm just insecure about the fact that, like, you know, this is what my man likes, but he doesn't speak on my hair. And it was hurtful. I was so insecure. I was insecure, so that led me to stop trying to do hairstyles. How much I think about these eyebrows? I don't know how I'm feeling them right now. Don't worry, I know how to do my magic to make them look the way I want them to. But you know, that leads into my second insecurity, you know. And that insecurity, like I said, the first one is definitely not there anymore. Like, I couldn't care less what anybody thought of my hair, let alone a man who has no say over my hair. Oh no, my battery's about to die. You know, either you like it or you don't, and if you don't pay attention to it, you know. But it did lead into my second insecurity, which is like not wanting to do hairstyles. And I still don't want to do hairstyles to this day, but it has nothing to do with like insecurities about my hair. It's just because I'm a lazy natural. My eyebrows are done. I'm just gonna throw some highlighter underneath, but I'm about to throw some eyeliner on. This is the eyeliner I use. I think I got it from TJ Maxx, y'all. Can y'all see that? Okay, there we go. But you know, I didn't like doing my hair because I would see these other girls. Again, I didn't know the difference between like hair types and all that, and why this person is getting those curls and I'm not getting these curls, and I'm doing the same things that they're doing, you know. So, you know, that led to some insecurities, like why I can't do my hair. I really can't. I'm not that great with hair, but it's like I'm doing the exact same things as YouTubers doing. Why am I not getting the same results? Like, I was so insecure about my hairstyles, you know. But again, it was just me not realizing that we don't have the same type of hair, boo-boo. Like, and that is very much like as far as life goes, when it's like you don't have what somebody else has, but you don't know what they had to go through. You don't know the type of stuff that they had to deal with in order to get there. You know what I mean? You don't know the type of hair that person has, and a lot of people try to fake the funk on YouTube and say that they have 4 hair, but they don't. But either way, you don't know. Even somebody with 4C hair, maybe something is different with their hair versus your hair that is causing them to have this type of style and you can't get it, or vice versa, you know. So for me, it was learning how to love my hair and just try things out and see what works, and if it doesn't, it doesn't, and it is what it is, you know. Yeah, I love eyeliner. This eyeliner is so easy to use too. I gave myself a little wing, if y'all can see it. I don't do like the thick wing. I don't know why, it don't look right on me, so I don't do it. I don't really like the way it came out on this eye. I never do it on this eye too, right? But whatever. Now I'm gonna put some mascara on. It's CoverGirl. I've also got it from TJ Maxx, you know. Cheap. So I'm about to put some blush on from this little palette that I showed y'all in my eyebrow tutorial, where I used the highlight under my brows. So I'm about to use this blush on me, and I got this from TJ Maxx, y'all. I get a thing from TJ Maxx. Like, I ain't got time for Sephora. I just had some major issues just not understanding why, you know, my stuff wasn't turning out like other people's. And then again, it was just one of those things that I had to understand that I don't, like, everybody is different, every hair type is different, even every 4C hair is different, you know. And once I understood that, it became a lot easier for me. Like, again, I'm just lazy. That's why I don't really do my hair like that. But I'm definitely not insecure if my hair don't turn out a certain way. I'm just like, okay, tried it, didn't work for me, I'll try something else, you know. All right, let's take this off, shall we? Oh gosh, oh my goodness. If you can't love me at my Miss Silly, don't love me at my Maniani, all right? Maniani coming, she coming, and if you can't love Miss Silly, don't y'all love Maniani now. I'm gonna take my castor oil. Y'all saw this already. I'm gonna take my castor oil and pour a good amount in my hand. Rub that on in there, especially on my fingertips where I'm about to take the twist out. I'm gonna rub this all throughout my hair. So I wanted to save the last insecurity that I have about my hair until I took the bonnet off, because I do still have this insecurity about my hair, you guys. I do. And I shared it with you guys in oh god, I shared it with you guys in my update video. And for the purpose of this insecurity, I'm going to start taking my hair out at the top. Look at that. Yes, what I told y'all. If y'all didn't love me in my silly, don't y'all even think about me right now. All right, so I wanted to do that for y'all real quick because I'm trying to find it. And part of really dealing with your issues, right, and your insecurities is to accept them for what they are, right? Admit that you have them. And I told you guys that I suffer from really bad breakage. And a lot of the reason why I don't do my hair is because I do have this insecurity of, let me bring y'all up, of this. It's bad, guys. It's I am very insecure about it because, like, who wants breakage right in the middle of their head? Like, who wants breakage at all? I mean, and I know that, you know, I told y'all it happened after I stopped breastfeeding, but it's definitely still there because of, like, me, you know, because I haven't been taking care of my hair, and I guess that's where my insecurity lies, you know. I've decided not to chop my hair off, you know. I'm going to embrace the way I embrace the shrinkage. I am going to embrace the breakage, and I'm just going to try and work at it. Like, I'm finally ready to stop playing games, to start deep conditioning more, you know, to start moisturizing more, you know, to avoid this, to, you know, really take care of my hair, because it's just ridiculous at this point. And that's not the only piece, by the way. Like, I wouldn't be insecure over one small piece. That's just what I'm showing y'all, but it kind of looks like almost all the way here at the top. But I'm too insecure to show y'all that. But thankfully my hair is so thick that it hides it, and I know it's there, and it's just an insecurity that I do have. Like, the other two insecurities, like, they're not really there anymore. I've had them, but this one's a biggie for me, y'all. It's a biggie. And just in case my battery does that, I do want to pose a question to y'all, if y'all can answer in the comments. Like, what is your hair insecurity? You know, if you have one. If you don't, then you don't. But, you know, I feel like a lot of naturals tend to have some insecurities about your hair. What is it, and how did you get over it, or what steps are you taking to get over it? Like, my step right now to get over, like, the other two that I had, it just took time for me to get over it, and it took me realizing that I'm my own person, my hair is my own hair. You know, this time it's admitting out loud and showing y'all, yo, I'm not taking care of my hair. So now my hair is suffering from it. So now, you know, like, just kind of working on it. Like, so what are y'all doing to get over your hair insecurities? Because it's gonna happen no matter what kind of hair you have. I think you're gonna have an insecurity about your hair. But what are you doing to get over that insecurity? You know, what are you doing to make yourself happier about your hair? So that you don't potentially go back to the creamy crack, you know? Like, ain't nothing wrong with permed hair, but, you know, you went natural for a reason, right, girl? I went natural for a reason. I don't plan on going back. And I also don't plan on shaving it off, so I gotta figure something out. Let me finish taking these twists out and let my battery rest for a little bit. Hey guys, so I just finished taking out the rest of my twist, and I'm not really feeling my twist out today. So I'm just trying to put some more oil on it to kind of get it where I would like for it to be, but I think this is as good as we're gonna get. Like, it's cute. It's just not what I envisioned it was gonna look like. It is what it is. But yeah, so anyway, like all this oil on my hand. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all would like more Get Ready With Me videos, or like chit chat videos, where we just talk about our feelings. You can do like a little share circle, like, how are you feeling today? Well, my insecurities, Miss Imani. Like I said, I would love to just kind of hear how you guys have gotten over your insecurities, or where you are in your hair journey. So please comment below. That is the question of today. What is your insecurity about your hair, or past insecurity, and how you got over it, or how you are trying to get over it. Don't forget to smash the like button. Let's try to get this video 35 likes. Can we do 35 today? I don't know. we'll try. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed. I'm over here like talking to y'all and like really trying to get this twist out to look right. But other than that, I will see you guys for my next video. Love you guys. Bye.